Enter Beep, the future of web collaboration, offering the fastest way to provide instructions and feedback on the web. Teams using Beep enjoy 4 times faster communication. Don't believe us? Let us show you. We'll use Robert. He wants to ask his team to make 2 changes to the website. The first is to reposition this diagram downwards, and the second is to add a call to action button here. So let's have a little race. On the left, Robert's using Beep for this task, while on the right shows what someone without Beep could typically do. As you'll see, Beep makes it easy. Just click anywhere in the page you want to point out and leave your comment. You save time from taking screenshots, editing them, and jumping between different programs. And because your beeps and their responses are viewable in real time, your team can enjoy even faster collaboration. And that's it. Using Beep, Robert's already completed the task in only 24 seconds, while someone using more traditional methods. Well, you know how it goes. With Beep, you could already be completing the next task or heading home. So why waste that extra 75% of your time and effort? We understand that every slice of your time counts, and with Beep, your teams can collaborate better, create faster, innovate effectively, and deliver more. More want 4 times the results. Just peep it close. What's up, Best Software Deals? It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software today. I'm pumped to tell you about Beep, a feedback annotation tool that lets you leave comments on any website and turn them into tasks for your team. With Beep, you can provide feedback to your teammates on any website. Just install the browser extension and open the landing page you want to review. To leave feedback, press Alt or Option+C to pull up the comment tool and click on any element to share your thoughts. You can tag a teammate to assign them to a task, then click Save. They'll be notified right from their browser. You can find every task and comment in this toolbar. That way you know which changes need to be made. You can also share everything with clients and team members with real-time status updates, and they don't even need to install Beep to see it. When they open the link, they can see the comments and reply directly, making collaboration a breeze, already itching to hit that Buy Now button. Don't let me slow your roll, because this deal won't be around for long. For everyone else, let's dive back in. With other tools, it's hard to tell what someone's flagging, but with Beep, you can open the toolbar, click on a comment, and then click Locate to jump to that exact spot. Got a lot to say. Beep lets you attach files to your comments. You can also record your screen and add a voiceover to explain your feedback in detail. And once you click Stop, the recording will automatically attach to your comment. This is a great way to share lengthy feedback on new designs or weird bugs. Let's check out Beep's integrated AI image tool. This bad boy lets you click on any text so you can adjust the design and send it to your teammate. You can change the color or font or use the AI to rewrite it. This works on images too. Just click an image and open the image tool to enter a prompt. This way you can generate whatever you need on the spot. Beep's cutting-edge AI guarantees high-quality images every time. In less than a minute, you'll get loads of options to choose from. Don't forget to take advantage of the projects feature. When you add a new comment, you can create a new project or choose an existing one. And with the admin panel, it's easy to stay on top of everything. You can use the board view to monitor progress across your entire team, or use the single view to drill down a little further. Simply search by a tag to pull up every comment for a specific project. Beep plays nice with your tech stack too. You'll be able to integrate with tools like Notion, Jira, Slack, Zapier, Telegram, Asana, ClickUp, and Monday it's time to streamline design reviews and bug reporting once and for all. Click Buy Now to get your hands on this lifetime deal on Beep, and do it fast because it won't be up for much longer.